Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build another automatic day-date watch. The dial I have chosen is this beautiful red one. It has a nice sunburst effect to it. Let's start by removing the dial feet, which are not required. Use a metal file to smoothen the cuts. Gentle place the dial on the movement, align the feet, and then press to fit. It is looking good. Before we attach the hands, ensure the time is at midnight. Attach the hour hand first. Check the hand movement. Attach the minutes hand next. Check the hand movement, ensuring they don't interfere. Attach the seconds hand now. It works. Ensure all three hands don't interfere. Let's start prepping the watch case. Remove the crown and the case back. Remove the dummy stem from the movement. Gently place the case front on the movement. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. Carefully measure the length of the stem that needs to be cut. Cut and then file the stem. Attach the crown and insert it back into the movement. Stick the rotor sticker before closing the case. I am loving this color scheme. Now close the case back. Attach the straps, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.